Probability, we can say that probability is nothing but equal chance of selection. It is known as random sampling or chance sampling. Why it is called as chance sampling? Because every element has equal chance of getting selected. Then next is every item has equal chance of selection, that we already discussed. The results obtained can be assured in terms of probability. So result हम probability बोल सकते हैं. जैसे मैंने एक एग्जांपल अभी दिया आपको कि अगर हमें स्टेट की इकोनॉमिक स्टेट है, सपोज महाराष्ट्र, हमें यहाँ के डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स का इकोनॉमिक स्टेटस स्टडी करना है. सो देर आर टोटल, सपोज I don't know the exact number, suppose 32 districts are there, and if we are using this probability sampling, every district will have equal chance of getting selected for the sampling. Okay, so suppose we are focusing on only say 10 district out of 32, so 10 by 32 will be the probability of selection in case of this probability sampling. Now we are discussing types of sampling. There are total 5 types of this probability sampling. First one is simple random sampling, then multi-stage sampling, systematic random sampling, stratified sampling, and cluster sampling. So first one is a simple random sampling. In case of simple random sampling, it is completely random method of selecting a sample, and it assigns a number to all the subjects and then uses random numbers to generate random number generator to choose a random number. So for example, मेरे पास total 32 districts है, so I will assign number to each district. For example, Akola district will be number 1, then second is Nagpur district, Chandrapur district, Pune district, and so on. So every district will be assigned a number. Then I will use a mathematical random number generator and select 5 districts, or say whatever I want to study 10 districts. Then I will study 10 districts based on the random number generator. So this is about the simple random sampling. Then next we will discuss this multi-stage random sampling. In case of multi-stage random sampling, we have to use multiple methods. It is a combination of multiple methods. So we will discuss remaining method first, then we can see one example of multi-stage random sampling. Third is our systematic random sampling. So systematic random sampling, you have to systematically select the sample. Sample will be random, but we have to select it systematically. You choose, for example is given here, you choose every nth participant from a complete list. For example, मैंने अगर आपको इकोनॉमिक स्टडी वाला एग्जाम्पल बताया कि वी हैव टू स्टडी इकोनॉमिक स्टेटस ऑफ डिफरेंट डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स इन अ स्टेट. सो मैं क्या करूंगी, एवरी स्टेट को एक नंबर दूंगी, एवरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट को एक नंबर दूंगी. उसके बाद में बेस्ड ऑन दैट and I will arrange those in some particular order, or I can assign them any order, and I will select, say I have decided to select every fourth element from the sample. So आपके लिस्ट में जो भी फोर्थ सिटी होगी, मीन्स फोर्थ सिटी, देन 8, देन 12, 16. So every fourth sample will be selected, और वो सिलेक्ट होने के बाद जो मेरा एक लिस्ट होगा, that list will be selected as my final list. That's why it is called as a systematic random sampling. Then next is stratified sampling. Stratified random sampling. Stratified random sampling क्या होता है? We divide samples into mutually exclusive groups, and using simple random sampling we choose the member. Mutually exclusive groups मतलब क्या होगा कि जैसे मुझे पूरे कंट्री का स्टडी करना है, सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल डिवाइड माय कंट्री इन सम ग्रुप्स. से I have divided it into north, east, west, and south. The states which comes in north area will be divided into north, then east, west, and south. Now from, suppose I have selected one area north, so north में जो भी districts आते हैं उनको मैं सिंपल रैंडम सैम्पलिंग से सिलेक्ट करूंगी. सिंपल रैंडम सैम्पलिंग से सिलेक्ट करूंगी मीन्स व्हाट, आई विल यूज अ रैंडम नंबर जनरेटर, और जो भी रैंडम नंबर पे आने वाला है उसको मैं मेरे स्टडी के लिए सिलेक्ट करूंगी. सो दिस इज हाउ स्ट्रेटिफाइड रैंडम सैम्पलिंग वर्क्स. एंड लास्ट वन इज cluster random sampling. Cluster random sampling means what? Again, it is same like that of the stratified. Randomly select areas and randomly select sample within those boundary. So this is about the cluster random sampling. Cluster is nothing but groups, and within those groups we have to select the samples.